Ridgely? What are you doing, Ridgely? What are you doing, Ridgely?
I poked Daddy.
I'm not Daddy. Daddy's over there. Let go. Go get your daddy.
I'm gonna tickle.
Daddy's not ticklish. Daddy likes being farted on. Fart on Daddy. Fart on his face. That's what he likes. Actually, I can't see you. You gotta move over. Ridgely. Careful. Ridgely.
Alan the trash guy, yeah. Famous just because he went out and exclaimed his Alan the garbage over there.
Oh, that's old news. Wasn't he on Daily Show or whatever?
Really true, anyway. He exaggerates.
Stop kicking, Ridgely. It's not nice.